Is your Audi Q5 key fob not working, displaying a remote not working error, or the case won't open? The most common cause is a dead CR2032 battery. You'll need a new CR2032 battery available on Amazon or at auto parts stores for around $1 to $2. You'll also need a plastic pry tool. A guitar pick or specialized key fob opener works too. Avoid metal screwdrivers to prevent damage. Some models, especially those from 2016-2018, may have a glued case, so a hairdryer might be helpful to gently soften the adhesive. First, locate the seam on the side of the key fob. This is where the two halves meet. Press the small release button if your key fob has one. Gently pry open the case using a plastic tool to avoid damage. If the case is glued, apply heat from a hairdryer for about 30 seconds to soften the adhesive. Remove the old battery, noting that the positive side usually faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery, positive side up. Snap the case back together firmly. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to ensure the LED lights up and the remote functions work. If the remote still doesn't work, check for corrosion on the battery contacts or consider a dealer visit for reprogramming if necessary.